Ever feel like no matter how much you do packing lunches, running errands, handling work, and caring for your kids, you still feel like you're falling behind? It's like you're running a marathon every day, but somehow the finish line keeps moving further away. Society tells us moms should have it all together, perfect house, perfect kids, perfect smile, but the reality? Most of us are stretched so thin we barely have time to breathe. We've been sold this picture-perfect version of motherhood: spotless kitchens, smiling kids, balanced schedules. And when our reality doesn't look like that, we feel like something's wrong with us. But here's the truth: the system set us up to fail. It made us believe being a good mom means doing everything flawlessly, when in reality that's impossible. The burnout is real, the guilt is heavy, and the danger. If we don't change how we think, we'll keep running on empty until there's nothing left. But here's the good news: moms who shift just one mindset hack discover a whole new way to stay motivated. They find energy, balance, and even joy in the chaos, and you can too. What if the secret to staying motivated as a mom isn't doing more, but actually thinking differently? Hey, I'm Betty, your guide here at Budget Betty channel. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss new videos every week. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm sharing ideas, not prescriptions. Today, we're breaking down the 6 big mindset shifts moms use to stay motivated, complete with real-life examples. Numbers that will surprise you and practical steps you can try starting today. Stick around, because these shifts could completely change how you show up in your daily life. Let's be real, trying to be the perfect mom is exhausting. Instead of aiming for flawless, what if we celebrated the small wins and progress we make each day? Did you know studies show moms spend almost 98 hours a week on parenting tasks? That's like working 2 full-time jobs. No wonder perfection feels impossible. What if instead we gave ourselves permission to live in a home where good enough really is enough? Less guilt, more joy, and way more freedom. Here's the truth: when we try to do it all perfectly, burnout sneaks in. But when we focus on steady progress, we actually stay motivated for the long haul. Remember this simple advice: done is better than perfect. Sometimes showing up with love matters more than getting it all right. Motherhood is a lot like gardening. The flowers don't all bloom at once, but each new bud is proof of the beauty that's growing along the way. Moms often think if they had just 1 more hour, everything would feel easier. But the truth is, it's not just about time, it's about the energy you bring to each hour. The average mom in the US gets less than 6 hours of uninterrupted sleep a night. No wonder so many of us feel drained before the day even begins. Imagine having the energy not just to cook dinner but to actually enjoy movie night with your family. Energy gives you memories, not just checklists. Managing only your schedule is like tracking hours without charging your battery. You can't pour from an empty cup, and moms deserve to stay recharged. Think of yourself like a phone. It's not about how many hours are in the day, it's about how charged your battery is. So instead of just asking, where can I find more time? Try asking, how can I boost my energy? Because energy is what helps you show up fully for your family and for yourself. Here's the truth: mama motivation fades fast when we try to do it all alone. But when you start sharing the load, suddenly life feels lighter and your energy comes back. Did you know that 70% of moms feel like they're carrying the entire mental load of the family? No wonder so many of us feel stretched thin every single day. Now picture this: your kids helping fold laundry or your partner cooking dinner twice a week. Suddenly, you're not just surviving, you're actually breathing again and feeling free. We've been taught that good moms do it all, but the reality is strong moms are the ones who ask for support and let others step in. There's an old African proverb that says, "It takes a village to raise a child." And it's true, you were never meant to do this journey alone. Think of family life like a relay race. You don't win by holding onto the baton the whole time. You win by passing it, sharing the run, and finishing strong together. Sometimes as moms, we feel like we're never doing enough. But the truth is, every small win, like finishing the laundry or getting your kid to school on time, deserves celebration. Science shows that our brain gets a dopamine boost when we celebrate even the tiniest accomplishments. That's the spark that keeps motivation alive. Imagine ending your day proud of the 3 things you did well instead of guilty about the 10 you didn't. That shift changes everything. If we wait only for the big milestones like graduations or big promotions, we wait too long for motivation. Small wins fuel us every single day. Remember what Robert Collier said? Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. That's how we build lasting motivation. Motivation isn't about one big win, it's about stacking the small wins day by day like Lego bricks. That's how moms keep going strong. Self-care isn't just about bubble baths or spa days. For moms, it's really about protecting your well-being so you can keep showing up for your family with energy and love. Did you know that 78% of moms put their family's needs before their own health? That's like trying to run on empty. It's no wonder so many moms feel drained. Now imagine having guilt-free me time that actually recharges you. It's not selfish, it's what keeps you strong and present for your kids. Society paints self-care as selfish, but that's the biggest myth. The truth is, self-care is survival. It's how moms stay strong in the long run. As Audre Lorde once said, caring for myself is not self-indulgence. It is self-preservation. Moms, this is permission to take care of you. Think of it like the oxygen mask on an airplane. You put yours on first so you can help others. Moms, your care fuels the whole family's survival. As moms, it's easy to want quick fixes like thinking one perfect planner or diet will change everything. But the truth is, real motivation comes when we play the long game. Quick wins feel amazing in the moment, but they fade so fast. It's the habits you build little by little that stick and keep your motivation alive. Even tiny daily choices like drinking more water, saving $5, or taking a short walk create big results over time. Picture your health, your finances, even your family happiness growing slowly, but surely like a tree that starts small, but becomes a place of comfort for everyone. It's tempting to want fast results, but those quick highs crash quickly. The slow and steady path might not be flashy, but it lasts. Like Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence isn't a one-time act. It's the habit we choose daily. These 6 mindset shifts may seem small, but when you put them together, they create powerful change. Moms who apply them feel less overwhelmed and more motivated every single day. Progress over perfection, energy management, asking for help, celebrating wins, self-care, and playing the long game. All these shifts build on each other. Together they make daily life more hopeful and less stressful. Imagine waking up with a little more hope and energy instead of just feeling weighed down by the to-do list. These shifts create breathing room for joy, even in the busiest days. If we ignore these shifts, it's easy to stay stuck in burnout mode. But when we embrace them, life feels lighter and motivation becomes a natural flow. It's like adjusting the lens on a camera suddenly. What looked blurry becomes crystal clear. These shifts help moms see life with new clarity and direction. Remember, change always starts with the way we think. Like Norman Vincent Peale said, change your thoughts and you change your world, moms. The adventure begins in your mindset. So today we uncovered 6 mindset hacks, focusing on progress. Managing energy, asking for help, celebrating small wins, redefining self-care, and playing the long game. Motivation doesn't come from doing more, it comes from thinking differently. If this hit home, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow mom who needs encouragement. I'd love to hear from you. What's the one mindset shift you want to start today? Drop it in the comments so we can support each other. This is Budget Betty Channel. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Mama, you're doing better than you think. Keep going, you've got this.